Hi there, my name is Marika and I'm a teacher of Swedish. The course that you are about to take part of is aimed towards learners of Swedish on a beginner's or intermediate level. In this course, hear how Swedish words are written and pronounced. The Swedish words are sorted into different topics or groups of words. Firstly, we go through the words separately, and then we also use these words in sentences and phrases connected to that topic or group of words, so that you can get an idea of how the words are used in a context. At first, I recommend you to just listen to how the words and phrases are pronounced. After that, you can listen and read after me. Then try to read on your own. And lastly, repeat over and over again. So, welcome to this course and good luck with your Swedish studies.